Want to know how to track project profitability in teamwork.com? You're in the right place. In this quick teamwork explanation, we'll walk through the steps that will help you easily measure your project's profitability, making it easier to stay on top of your team's financial health and ensure you're hitting your targets. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also reveal a special extended free trial that'll help you get started with Teamwork absolutely free. To begin, Teamwork offers several tools to help you track your project's performance, but when it comes to profitability, you'll want to focus on the combination of time tracking, costs, and budgets. Teamwork is designed to allow teams to collaborate efficiently, but it also provides the data you need to ensure you're making money off your projects, not just spending time on them. One of the first things to do is set up a budget for your project. In Teamwork, when you create a project, you'll find an option to assign a budget. Here, you can specify an overall budget for the project. By entering the budget, you're able to set expectations for the financial side right from the beginning. Once your budget is in place, Teamwork helps you track your team's time by integrating with time tracking tools. By logging time against tasks, you can measure how much of your project's budget has been used based on hours worked. This allows you to see how much you're spending versus your initial budget and identify whether you're on track to stay profitable. Now let's talk about costs. For projects that incur expenses beyond just labor, Teamwork allows you to track these costs as well. Whether you're paying for software, materials, or other resources, you can input these expenses in the project's financial section. This ensures you're capturing all costs and will give you a full picture of your project's profitability beyond just your team's time. In addition to tracking time and costs, Teamwork provides reports that allow you to assess project profitability at a glance. The profitability report in Teamwork is especially useful. You can pull up a detailed view of all income, costs, and profitability across your projects, helping you analyze where you stand in real time. These reports are customizable, meaning you can filter them by project, task, or date range to get insights that matter most to you. Another key feature is the ability to forecast profitability. By reviewing your project's ongoing performance against the budget and timeline, you can predict if a project is going over budget or will be a financial success. Teamwork's tools help you avoid nasty surprises and allow you to adjust as you go, keeping everything under control. For more advanced tracking, Teamwork also integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This integration pulls your financial data into Teamwork, giving you even more robust tracking and reporting capabilities. As a bonus, Teamwork's project profitability tools are part of its robust suite of features, but they're easy to use, so even if you're just starting, you won't feel overwhelmed. Whether you're managing a small team or running larger projects with multiple stakeholders, these tools scale with your needs. Remember, if you're new to teamwork.com, you can try all of this out for yourself with an exclusive free trial. Simply click the link below to start your extended free trial today. You'll have access to all these features and more, helping you track your project profitability in no time. So that's a quick overview of how to track project profitability in teamwork.com. Make sure to take full advantage of the free trial. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your project management and get the most out of your software.